Welcome back. We are now going to look at the piping command. And the piping command functions the very same way as another term that we could use, which would be the OR command. And what we do is we actually put in a pipe, which is a straight line inside of our search results, and then we're going to put in another similar term. So what we're going to do is we're going to tell Google, look for low carb dieting or keto. And it's going to bring us back the most relevant results. Now what we're going to do is we're going to hit send. And you're going to notice a certain number of results. Now what would happen if we took the pipe out? Would we get different results? And you'll notice that we do, in fact, we get 4 times as many. So using the pipe is a way of saying OR to the search operator and then giving us a more defined set of results. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.